Imam Malik, he was adored with 5 qualities. Once he was asked, "O Malik, what do you say about the search for knowledge?" He replied, "It is fair and beautiful. If anybody does not separate from you morning to evening, don't separate from him." When Imam Malik intended to narrate traditions, he used to make ablution, sit in the middle of the bed, comb his beard, apply scent, and then become fearful and grave, and then narrate traditions. When asked about these formalities, he said, "I intend to show honor to the traditions of the Prophet." He said, "Knowledge is light. God places it wherever He wishes." Regarding the seeking of pleasure of God by knowledge, he said, "There is no benefit in arguments about religion." This is proved by a saying of Imam Shafi, who said, "Once I was near Imam Malik. He was asked about 48 legal questions. He replied regarding 32 questions that he does not know. When the learned were mentioned, Imam Malik was counted as a bright star. It is said that once Khalif Mansur prohibited him to narrate the particular tradition on the illegality of divorce made under compulsion. The Khalif thereafter instigated someone to ask the Imam on the subject. He declared amongst the people that divorce pronounced under compulsion is not binding. For this, the Khalif had him flogged. Khalif Harun Rashid was once asking Imam Malik, "Have you got any house?" Imam Malik said no. The Khalif then gave him 3,000 dinars and said, "Go and buy a house with this money." The Imam accepted the money, but he did not spend it for that purpose. When the Khalif intended to return to Baghdad, he asked Malik, "You should have come with us, because we have decided to make the people follow Mawlata as Usman made them follow the Quran." Malik said, "This is not the way the people follow Mawlata, because the companions of the Prophet after his death dispersed around different countries and they related the traditions in each place. Further, the Prophet said, difference of opinion amongst people is a blessing. As for my going with you, there is no way, as the Prophet said, had they known, they would have known that Medina is the best for them." Again he said, "Medina removes its corruptions just as the furnace removes the dust of the iron. Thereafter, here are your dinars. If you like, take them back, and if you like, leave them here. Does this mean that you ask me to leave Medina in return for what you have given me? I swear I prefer nothing more than the city of the Prophet, not even the whole world." Such was the asceticism of Malik when, as a result of his diffusion of knowledge and spreading of his companions, large wealth began to come to him from different corners of the earth. He used to distribute them in charity. Such an ascetic was Suleiman despite his royal glory. Another example of his asceticism is that Imam Shafi once said, "I noticed a number of Khorasani horses at the door of Malik. I have never seen any other horse better than them. I said to Malik, 'How beautiful are they?' He said, 'They are presents from me to you.' I said to him, 'Keep one of them for yourself for riding.' He said, 'I shall be ashamed before God to tread with the hoof of any lest beast of burden the soil wherein lies his Prophet. See therefore his benevolence and veneration for the soil of Medina." There is yet another report of his asceticism. He said, "I once went to the Khalif Harun Rashid. He asked Malik, 'O Abu Abdullah, you should come frequently to my place so that I may learn from you the Muwatta,' which was his book. He said, 'May God exalt my master. This knowledge has come from you. If you honor it, it will be exalted, and if you dishonor it, it will be despised. Knowledge is something you shall learn and not something you shall receive.' Then the Khalif said, 'You are right.' He said to his sons, 'Go to the mosque and acquire from him knowledge along with the people.' Imam Ahmad and Sufyan Sauri had many followers. Nevertheless, they are known for asceticism and the fear of God. All book contains their sayings and stories of their asceticism. Now examine the lives of the Imams and scrutinize those who claim to be their followers. Did the Imams rise to such eminence only because of their knowledge of fiqh, which now means contracts of the type of the salam and hire and rental and lease and loan and other worldly laws? Jazakallah khair. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.